guys, it's Hostler Kids back again with another video, and today we are finally going to make another What's Inside the Box challenge. And here is the box. Yep. And what we're gonna do this time, we're gonna make it more hard. So hopefully we got stuff that is more hard than the other time. And now we got two holes, so we will not be able to like switch it. So
keep on switching. Because I think before we only had one.
Yeah. So I'll go first, or I think Johanna was gonna go first.
Yeah, Johanna.
Yeah, I'll go first.
And I'll go
so
second.
Johanna's gonna do me, and then Johanna's gonna do Luke, and then I'm gonna do Johanna, and then I'm gonna do Luke, and then Luke's gonna do me.
Close your eyes too.
You know, it's confusing.
Okay, so
So you're doing me first.
And then let's start with this.
Wait, do I have to close my eyes for the whole entire time?
Well,
No, because you're not gonna have
just close your eyes for. Okay.
for right
So
now.
this is it.
Wait, can I look now?
No. Since
Okay,
Joanna,
okay.
put your face down like that.
Okay, can I look?
No. So this is what it is.
Wait, why can I look?
No, Luke can look because you're not gonna use it
Okay,
again.
can you just do that? Because I don't believe you.
Not
yet.
Wait, did you put it in? Oh.
Okay.
I know you
Keep
got
your
that.
hands.
I'll just look down.
Oh,
It's a book.
yeah, I know that one's sort of obvious. Like you can't really make it.
Oh no.
Yeah, Jordy, you can't really.
Look. This is my Dork
Yeah.
Diaries book. Dork.
Dork.
Okay, now Johanna's gonna do Luke.
I do it to Luke.
Okay.
Both of you close your eyes.
Okay.
What is in that thing?
Y'all ready for this?
Alright. This is the next thing.
Can I look now?
No.
Well, you're not gonna use it.
Okay, ready?
Okay.
Okay.
Is this like some sort of wallet?
You can't say.
It looks like camouflage. Like
What do you actually
Wait,
think
no.
it is?
Like a wallet or something. Like some. What is this inside it? I have. I barely know what this is.
We give up.
It's not a purse. I mean, it's not an.
I'll just give
wallet.
up because I don't.
Okay.
It's an eye. It's in like.
I knew
the
sunglasses
I knew
case.
that. That's what I thought.
And then there was like sunglasses in it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Now
more
I'm gonna
hard.
do Johanna, and then I'm gonna after that do Luke.
So I
Okay,
could
so
watch.
both you-
So I could watch.
Yeah, but close your eyes right now.
Okay.
I think I did hard stuff. Close your eyes. Okay. Put it in here. This is small.
Can I look at?
Yeah. I mean, not look. Luke, you can open your eyes.
Okay.
You know,
Oh, I know what that. Yeah, I know what that is.
we played with it today.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
earlier
give you-
that day. I feel like
It's a drum for the American robot.
yeah.
I thought it'd be hard.
Like first when I
It's,
looked, I thought it was
drum
gonna.
thing.
Yeah. Like the first time I looked at it, I thought it was like a pen.
How'd you know that?
I don't know, cause like
Well,
this is
you-
what happened.
you
So I
said-
first thought it was like a pen to write with,
It
cause
does.
like this,
Yeah.
and then I was like, and then you gave me a hint that said
Yeah,
we
you
played
shouldn't-
with it
you
that
shouldn't- you
morning.
shouldn't-
This
Don't
morning.
give hints because this is supposed to be the more hard one. So,
Okay,
yeah,
ready?
You can't.
Close your eyes,
Luke's
Luke.
turn.
Am I?
And
my
my stuff are gonna be behind you.
No.
but I already used.
Ava's doing it to you.
Oh.
Okay, so you have to close
Oh,
your
so
eyes.
it's Ava's. Wait, is this Ava's last turn? Then it'll be my turn.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. I feel like this video is gonna be a little short.
So now, which one should I do? Since you can see.
Wait, no, there's more around, so it's not gonna be short. I
I'm
totally
not gonna
forgot.
do this to you then. So you already know what it is here. That. Okay. So I'm gonna do this. Oops.
I think I might know what that is. It bounces like that. Are you done?
Yep. Okay.
Oh no, I don't. Is this one of those lights, like those Christmas lights from like a long time ago?
It's not a Christmas light.
Well, a light.
Yeah.
Yeah, I knew it was this.
You're good.
I knew it was
I thought
this.
it'd be hard. I'm so dumb.
Okay,
these are
so
like-
it is Luke's turn.
Okay, I'll do on Joe first. All right, I'm gonna do on Joe first. So Ava can't look right now. Oh, this is probably gonna be easy first. It's like this is what it is, guys. I'm sure you know what
Okay,
this
I'm gonna
is.
just open my eyes now. Wait, can I see it? That's good. Okay.
Yeah, I feel like she's gonna.
Okay, you
guess
can do it
quickly.
now. Try.
Okay, no hints.
Yeah, no
Yeah,
hints.
no hints. I learned that.
I know you. That's so obvious. I don't know why I did that. Do you want us to like guess it?
It's a Batman one.
Yeah, I know.
I knew
I don't know what I
one
was
of those
thinking.
figures, but I
Yeah.
was like, which one?
I actually don't know what I was thinking before.
Okay,
before.
now Johanna, you're gonna do me again.
Wait, what?
No.
It's I do
Oh,
you.
shoot.
You flashed the show.
I forgot.
Okay, this is what I'm gonna
And then
do.
we're just gonna loop around once
Ava.
we have.
Oh,
I'm not
you're
opening
closing
my eyes.
it. Okay,
Once
that's
we're
good.
gonna loop around and do Johanna like does me, and then Johanna does Luke,
Okay.
and we're just gonna keep on doing it. Once
Okay, I'm
we
gonna
have
show the
10
crowd.
things,
I'm gonna show the audience.
so once we're done,
Okay, guys, this is what it is. Okay. I feel like she might know what it
I
is.
feel like I've heard this. I know what this is. It's the speaker.
Yeah, this is the speaker. Like you plug it into your phone from this, and then you like play music, and then it will like And then, I don't really know how it works. It might not work like that since I think I have to push some buttons and all that stuff.
Okay, my turn.
You do me.
They both guess what I.
You both guessed what I had. These
That's
two.
just sad.
Okay. We're tired
Close your
about
eyes.
guessing and stuff. I am.
Okay. It's this.
I don't really know what
It is, but it's just.
Oh wait, I'll look right now. Ooh, I don't know when we got that, but
Okay, can I do it?
I sort of want to touch it right now.
You can touch it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm sure she's not gonna be able to. Guess
I'm not
it.
looking. I'm not looking.
Even if she was looking, she'd be looking straight, so she wouldn't know what it was. I mean, that is pretty easy. I'm sure you could guess that. Like, the thing, what it is, like, the thing, I'm sure you'll know what that is. But
Wait, is
what's,
it a
like,
ball? You just
Yeah.
messed up this.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a ball.
It's a ball.
Oh!
But it's a type of ball.
No, I know. It's the silver ball with water
Yeah.
in it.
Yeah. Oh, our dog farted. Scamper farted. Okay. Okay, so, wait. Who's gonna do?
I didn't look. I just guessed this.
Oh, he's right here.
He's right there? He's been there for the whole entire time? Oh my god. Okay, I thought he was like
I
somewhere
didn't
over
even peek.
Okay.
I promise you I didn't.
No looking.
there. Okay.
Okay. Except for me, I can
This
look.
is like for Luke.
Alright.
Oh.
You still something that's mine. I feel like I might know what
No,
it
it's
is.
not yours.
Wait, can I look?
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't
Luke.
What?
don't look.
Oh, you're doing it on me.
Oh my gosh. Okay, now you have to do it again.
Man, what the?
I thought you said it was mine, like as I thought you said it
No.
was mine as in that was my toy. I was like, oh, is it my an Imaginext?
Okay.
But I thought you were doing it on Ava. I was like,
Close
Okay.
your eyes. She just did one on me.
So
Luke.
this is
oh yeah, I forgot.
what it is.
I'm
Oh,
gonna
I know
look.
what that is.
Okay.
Okay, wait, not yet. Oh. Okay,
No. Wait.
go.
Here you go.
Are these like cards? Are these cards like
Yeah.
with
Yes.
a king?
They're cards.
Oh
They're
yeah, that's
emoji
from the
cards.
last one. That's from the last one, Joe.
Yeah,
And then
sneak
that's
peek,
my
my Louise. No, I'm just kidding. Okay,
Wait, whose turn? Is it Ava? It's Ava's
Yeah,
turn
I
to
do Johanna.
it's like this.
Looks like yeah.
There's emojis on it. I actually want to play with that, like play a game after this.
We're gonna
Okay.
make it- Okay.
Wait, hold on. Ugh, God. Okay.
Okay, my turn.
Wait. Wait, what did I do? Okay.
close your eyes.
Wait.
No, Luke, you can keep them open. Oh, a moment of pleasure. Oh, that'd be too obvious.
Now I just can't resist this bed right here.
Look at that. That's in my bag.
Wait, let me see what it is.
This is in my bag. She knows.
Wait, is that what you're gonna do?
No.
Oh.
I think you just put on my
It was a
hand.
spider, Johanna. It was a spider.
Okay.
It actually.
Okay, I'm gonna do this. You guys can't see it.
What is that? Is that like a tiny? Oh, it's.
Okay, you
It's
done?
in there.
Wait, it's them.
I'm gonna
You
go
can see it.
some
I'll tell you what it is when she is done. It's that right there.
I was about to say what it actually was. Okay.
Okay, there. You can look. Or not look, but you can. Don't look at that.
What the heck is that? Oh, I think I know what it is.
What?
It's the American Girl doll ruler.
How do you know what that is? I've never seen that American Girl.
Yeah,
doll
American
ruler.
Girl.
I saw it and I feel it, and there's that little like ditch, like
Yeah,
not
there's,
really like
in
a
rulers.
like there's a little dent.
Okay, is it my turn to do people?
No, it's my turn to do you.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, I'm gonna swap something out real quick.
Okay.
Okay. Well, we should. We can't look.
Okay.
Okay, wait.
No, Luke, you can't look. I'm
Oh.
doing you.
Actually, we'll swap. Oh wait, I was confused.
Why is it so much?
Okay, can I do it now?
Yeah, you can do it.
This is the stuffed animal.
No.
It's like it has cotton in it, like stuffed. It's stuffed with something. Well, this is the tag. So this has to be some sort of stuffed animal.
No.
I give up.
Okay. It's an American Girl doll hat.
Oh yeah, this thing.
Just saying, I might do an American Girl doll theme.
You will.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna say that before because I didn't want to give it away, but now you guys kind of like.
Yeah, because I can tell it's always been American Girl doll. Okay.
Well, it's my turn to do Johanna.
Yep.
So Johanna.
Okay.
Okay, so this is.
Wait,
what-
I need to swap some things out, but I'll be back.
Okay, so this is what I'm gonna. Oh, now I think it's gonna be obvious. Okay, so this is what it is.
Okay, can I?
Yeah.
What is it? Oh, I know what this is. This is a motorcycle.
Yeah, you guessed it. Now I need to do it.
It's a motorcycle.
So much people are guessing mine. They're always guessing my things. They're always guessing my thing. Let's just wait till Ava comes back. You're allowed to look. So, you're allowed to look, so.
I knew you were, because I saw you going over there and there's
I thought she was coming, so.
Ava.
Ava, you still there? Ava, come over here. You want some lemonade?
Ava.
Oh shoot! Oh my god, that always scares me. You're like, always feel like Ava's coming.
He stopped doing that.
Yeah, it's gonna be obvious for her. Gonna start turning obvious. Okay, she's coming.
Just like up to this, now.
Yeah.
Swap
I
some
did it.
things out.
It's what I did for Joanna, and she guessed it. Well, like at first she didn't know what it was, but then she was like, I was like sort of happy that she wasn't gonna.
Okay.
I think we did that last time. Okay, Ava, don't look. Okay, I already showed them what it was, so guess now.
Yes, what it is.
Why are you doing?
I don't know. This feels like a football. Is it like one of those footballs like those little characters have?
Yes. Yes.
KC.
Right when I did that. No, right when it went over to the trash can, I totally remembered about Scamper. Okay. Stop. You're scaring me.
Alright.
Okay. All the things people guessed.
Okay, so it's
I just need to.
my turn? Yeah, it's my turn.
Oh yeah. Wait. Yeah, to do Ava. So I'm gonna let him look.
Okay.
Stop gurgling your mouth.
Gurgle.
Okay, ready? Guys.
Okay.
Okay, close your eyes.
I don't have to.
Close them.
Ow.
Okay, so this is what it is. I was
feel like
just
I know
about to
what that
say
is.
it. Not yet. Not yet. Don't do that. Stop.
Do,
Stop.
do,
Stop. Do.
I feel like I know what it is.
Okay, go.
Rubik's Cube.
That was so easy.
Okay.
Okay, you do Luke now. Let's see.
Okay.
Alright,
No.
okay,
Then
so
Show the crowd.
this.
Then.
For you.
Okay. Okay, you done?
yep.
This is probably the hardest I've ever.
Can I
Shoot,
see?
this is hard. I can't even like.
Can I see?
I thought it was gonna be easy.
You thought
Wait, don't look.
Give me.
1, 2 more guesses.
What do you mean? I don't guess it. I really want to open my
Yeah.
eyes.
Wait, hold on.
Come on.
What?
You need to try and find something real quick.
Wait, is this one of those things you like make from like Zach or something, and then like they come out like those beads, and then they like make it hot to melt it?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay. I actually guessed it. Wow, that's actually pretty nice. Who made that? Ava?
No, this is Johanna. I remember making that.
Wow.
Okay,
I can't believe I actually guessed
my
that.
turn.
I was about to give up, but I was like,
Okay,
wait,
okay, ready?
I know that.
Okay, my turn.
Wait, so Ava, you're doing Johanna?
Yep. So you can look.
Like all you want. You know that. How about we put this light? Oh.
Okay, you ready?
Oh yeah.
Are you done?
This is one of the things I swapped out. We're done. We're done.
Oh,
You can look. I mean, not look, but you can.
I feel like
some type of something.
don't you remember?
It has to be like some type of clothing for the American Girl dolls, but I want to know what.
Oh my god, you're just...
Look, like away.
What is this? I want to know is it for like the baby? Ooh.
What baby?
It's for the American Girl. Well, not the baby that we used.
Nope. I know you're peeking.
No, I'm not.
Oh, you were, and you're gonna.
Are you... Are you gonna guess? You were
give
so
up.
close
You
though.
give up.
Wait, American Girl doll.
Put up your head, Johanna.
Better go.
Or that girl with the straight hair,
Nope.
curly hair.
You literally said it before.
The baby.
No.
American Girl doll baby.
No. Wait, which baby though? Because you have to be specific.
Ooh.
It's not really American Girl doll.
Then which one?
It's the baby that had like in the crate.
What?
Great.
The
Back?
back thing or something.
No. What?
No.
How would that
No.
fit? How would that fit on her?
Yeah, that's just.
Oh my god. Do you not remember?
The baby with the stroller.
Yeah.
Yes.
That you're actually
Oh my
having
God.
me give you guesses, so you sort of got that wrong and sort of got that right.
Oh my god, that took so long. The
It really
lighting
did.
though.
That took you. No, it's now on 21 minutes, and you started doing it on like 19. Okay.
All right.
Okay, Abe's gonna do me.
I think this is our like third to last one. Set. All right.
Does that have something to do with the
Don't look.
American Girl dolls?
I can't tell you, Luke.
Well, I know it is.
Okay, stop.
Well, are you putting like a wig on Scamper?
Okay. Ava, come on. Okay, Ava, come on.
I really want to know what's going on. I'm opening my eyes.
I'm gonna look. Okay,
Oh.
Ava, come on.
Wait, let me just
I'm
see this
gonna look. I'm gonna look.
Okay.
Okay, can I do it now?
What are you doing? That's
What?
of the box. There.
This is gonna be so hard. Is this that leash?
No.
No. Okay. Okay.
I already got it.
Can I just use both hands?
Yeah.
Did I see this like when we were using it?
I don't know.
Do you want a hint?
Yes.
No.
It's
Yes.
Wait, what are you gonna get?
Oh, we can't give hints.
Yeah.
What? How can I give hints? This is really hard.
Do you just give up? Do you give up?
No, I want a hint.
Well, we can't give you hints though.
Yeah, you usually.
Oh, I remember saying that, but I remember giving Johanna hints on the last
I
one.
know.
I give up, and I'm gonna look. I didn't see this. How am I supposed to guess
It's a
that?
part of this. Exactly. That's the point.
That's really the point.
I know, but I've never
It's an
seen that,
American
like,
Girl doll wrap for their arms or whatever.
for your arms.
Okay,
Like, or
come
for
on.
their
That's
hands.
pretty sweet.
So Luke's turn to
I'm
do.
doing. Okay. This is what it is, guys.
That's so obvious. Like, do another one.
Oh, jeez, Ava. I'm gonna do it from this side,
Okay.
so she won't be able to get it. You know what? Should I switch it?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch it.
How many fingers am I holding up, Johanna?
4.
Yep. You're peeking.
No, I'm not. I'm looking down.
How many fingers am I holding up?
3.
Yep, you're peeking.
what should I do?
Am I holding up a heart or a circle,
should I do?
Johanna?
I don't know.
This?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, I feel like I should do that, or should I do this?
Circle.
Yep, you
Oh,
got it right.
I feel
You're
like I should
peeking.
do this. Should I do this?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna do this. Ava, you're gonna. Now the box is crooked.
It's
Oh, yes.
Okay, you can go now, Johanna.
Wait, no, you can't look now. Oh wait, no.
Wait, no, wait. Luke, look. Luke, look.
What?
Look.
Okay. Ava, put it in.
Okay.
She took it out, and also made the box really crooked. Oh my god, she's probably gonna take really long again. You only have 3 guesses though.
Yeah, let's just make 3 guesses.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure that's what it was.
Something that I know.
Yeah.
You
I think
might,
so.
I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure. Well, I didn't know the last one, which was pretty hard. And I think you might know that.
Like a camera?
What?
Nothing.
It moves.
It's not camera.
Surprise for the camera.
Stop.
Oh, no, I almost fell. I'm just gonna go to the camper.
I have no clue.
I have no plow.
Okay,
I give
open
up.
your eyes. Before I did a calculator,
Yeah.
and I was gonna turn it around so you don't push the button, so it would be obvious.
Yeah, but that's too obvious either way. 'Cause
Okay,
You might flip
okay.
it over.
Close your eyes, Zero.
Wait,
Close your eyes.
hold on. I'm gonna. I'll be back. I just need to do something like wait.
Oh, I feel like this is now obvious, but no. Why do I always say that though? Like Don't squirt it at Scamper though. I have.
Magic. Here we come.
I can't wait. I'm gonna do it.
Okay, ready? Oh my god, there's a
Um.
sound thing. Wait.
Ava, come on. Ava.
Okay,
Make this video really long. It's actually 28 minutes. Cool. Oh, I'm sure you saw what it was.
No, I didn't.
You literally just looked at it.
I didn't.
Just now, you just
Okay, close
looked
your
at
eyes.
it.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I didn't do anything. Go.
Go.
So no eraser.
No.
Or these. It feels like plastics around it.
It's like you're bending.
Not an eraser. Are these cards? Luke, are they?
Yes.
What
Okay.
are they?
They're like Ava gifts.
Oh, get a grip cards.
Yeah, they're like these cards.
It was for like this thing. Guys,
Yeah.
if you spin it, it looks cool.
Christmas.
Oh my god.
Okay, how much ones do you guys have left? I have 4 left.
I have 4 left.
This is gonna be a
Okay,
long video.
who's next?
Wait, Ava, do you have 4 left?
Wait, it's me. My turn.
Oh yeah, it's Johanna's turn.
Yep, I have 4 left.
Okay, we all have 4 left.
Okay, ready?
Ava, close your eyes.
This video is probably gonna be like 40 minutes. Oh my god, if it's gonna be 40 minutes.
Okay. Feels
I know that.
something furry.
Oh, I feel like you're gonna get.
Oh, it's the bunnies.
It's the bunny. It's the bunny. It's the bunny. Well, this is now our longest video that we ever had.
It's the bunny things.
Yeah.
Can I guess the color?
Okay. Now she guessed it.
No, I want to guess the color. There's yellow, blue, and pink.
Okay, just pick.
I think you want to be original, so I think it's yellow.
Yeah, I knew you. would
Yellow
say that.
what? What animal?
Like he knows what it is. The bunny.
bun-
The chick things.
Yeah. Wait, is it yellow?
I know what you mean.
Oh my gosh. I got it yellow.
Yes, I know. And
Okay.
if anything, I would guess that too.
Okay, ready? Luke,
It's
close
not
your eyes.
nice.
Wait, I want to try.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Whip. Okay, guys, so this is what it is. Oh, I don't think he's gonna get that. Okay.
Is this a chocolate like Easter egg shaped thing?
No. Hold on, I'll be back.
Is this something I know?
Yeah.
It's something that you don't like.
Yeah.
Twisters. Okay.
Here it goes.
Okay. I have no idea what this is. Like, do I hate it?
Yeah, well,
I
you don't-
hate it.
yeah.
I hate this, what I'm holding in my hand.
Yeah.
I hate this. The shape. It's like an egg.
No.
Can I open my eyes? I really want to see
Yeah, you
something.
give up.
An avocado?
It's an avocado.
I hate avocados.
Yeah.
Since when?
You said
Today that you didn't like them. Yeah, remember?
No, since they taste bad in the thing, but I
It's
don't
an
hate these.
avocado.
And I'm pretty sure they would taste good in like something else.
No, they taste the same.
Well, I don't hate it.
Well, she didn't know.
I
that.
said you didn't
Cheers.
like it.
I do like it. Well, I might.
Okay, next one.
Wait, you missed me.
She's
Wait, no, I
doing
guessed the
great.
chick thing. Then it's my
Oh yeah.
turn.
Oh yeah. Then it's Ava's turn.
How can I?
Ava's turn. It's not.
All right, okay.
Put this down.
Put this down right now. Okay.
It's an avocado.
It's actually an avocado. Oh my god, it's actually an avocado. Oh my god, did you actually see this way?
Big stop. Maybe. Perfect.
Oh, I know what that is. Yeah, you overdone yourself.
Okay, where can I do it?
Yeah. Wait, I want to pick something out.
You didn't put it in.
Yes, I did, and then I took it out. Hold on.
Don't take forever, Ava. And after this, Ava's actually gonna finish. Ava's probably gonna finish her things off. Yeah, how about we finish her things off, and then I'll finish my 4 things off, and then.
Show it to the camera.
Okay, this is what it is, guys.
Okay, put it in.
Feeling sick? Okay. Not my problem.
This is an emoji.
Yeah.
This was so easy.
Ava.
Ava,
Ava, do
what did you
do
swap?
another one.
What did you
She
swap?
swapped with that like mitten, you know that like American Doll mitten thing. Okay, Ava, how about you like finish off your things? Ava.
Okay, good. Okay. I swapped it off with this thing right here.
Yeah. But how about it's just my turn?
No, because I need to do my turn.
Okay, do me then.
Close your eyes.
I have my eyes closed. Can I see now?
No. It's like this thing.
Can I see now? Oh, okay. Not yet.
And this glitter.
Okay, okay.
Wait, no.
You just said it. It's
Okay,
glitter.
go. Yep. Dude, put your hand through it.
Where is it? Stop. I know it.
You can't take it out. You have to keep it in the box.
I have no idea what this is.
Do you give up?
I don't think I've seen.
No, but
Okay.
it's a collar thing. All right. It is Luke's turn.
Okay.
Okay, I need to close my
Don't look. Don't look. Okay. Okay. This might be easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, put it in.
Luke, put it in.
Oh, wait.
Luke, put it in.
I am. Well, it's putting it in. What?
Okay, can I look? Yeah. Wait, put your arm out.
Stop.
Put your arm out.
I'm getting
One of those
go
cars.
again.
One of those cars. Toy cars.
Yes! Guess what color? Okay. Wait, I get to go again. No.
Yeah.
Ava, close your eyes.
Ava, close your eyes.
I'm gonna get. Wait. Wait.
Oh, I know what this is.
Don't look. Stop looking.
I'm
You
not.
are.
No, I'm not. I swear I'm not looking.
Here.
Oh, no, sorry.
Well, if you know what it is, then what is it?
It's the Airheads gum.
You'll see.
Alright,
put it
you're
in.
totally right.
No, it's those. I thought it was it's those icebreakers. That's
Yeah.
what it is.
Sour.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Wait, I want one.
Yeah, I have.
Oh, that's actually really sour. Oh God,
It's not sour at all.
you're so sour. Ready? I put 3.
Okay, we all should have 2 ones.
2 more.
Yeah. So,
All right, my turn. Okay, I need to swap.
guys, we all should have 2 left.
I have 2 more left.
Okay.
Wait. Do you want to do one to me and one to yeah.
Are you ready?
Move your hands. I might know what this is.
Move your hands. Okay.
Oh yeah, I knew it. It was the blue pen that has a pom pom on top.
Oh, you do me now, Jordan.
I didn't look. I promise you, I didn't. I just heard it and I was like, oh.
Wait, is it your?
Yeah, how's mine? There's an A on it.
Don't look.
That's
Do-do-do.
so obvious.
Do-do-do-do. Okay, put it in.
Wait, no.
Wait.
Put it in. Put it in. It's a pen. Okay, put it in. Is this it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it patrol belt? It's a patrol belt.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Ava, you do your last two. Oh my god, it actually reached 40.
I know.
Okay,
Actually, yours.
it's mine? Why'd you use mine? Don't go through my backpack.
I didn't. I already knew where it was.
Well, it's basically don't. Okay, Ava, do your last two.
Ooh, sour.
Go through your last two.
Is this American stuff? Because if it isn't, where's my bag?
Do 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 do. Well, the last time I saw it was. Random.
Let's bring it back.
I don't.
Okay, ready?
I don't. Oh, I know what that is.
This is
She's
really
probably
easy.
gonna guess it. Oh yeah, she's gonna guess.
Oh my god, are you kidding me? I already know what it is.
What?
This thing where for the American Girl dolls where you take like the tissue out.
That's it. Okay, Ava, do it to me. Do it to me now. It's a penny. It's a coin. It's a say you join. Okay. Do you have it in?
No.
No. What? I'm gonna look if you're laughing.
Okay, don't pick this up. Just keep it there.
It's that cat thing. That Kit Kat thing. Okay. It's mine. It's mine. I'm gonna do it to you now.
Alright.
Guys, this is what it stop. Ava, stop.
Wait.
Put it back. Put it back.
Wait, out of the way. Okay. Okay. Guys, this is what it is. This is what it is. Let me guess. Ah, okay. I have it in.
Nay.
I'm gonna guess that really.
Yeah, it's gonna Alright, since you're gonna guess it really easy.
Skateboard.
Yeah. You no, what type is it? What type is it?
It's the Green Lantern one.
What? Well, first you looked, so I knew you would. Yeah, you looked at it in the first place.
No, I
And-
did this.
Okay, it's fine. And second,
Oopsie daisy.
is a Robin. It's a Young Justice one.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, Ava. The final one. I do it to Ava.
Bye bye.
Okay, Ava. It's time for me to do it to you. Now go. Okay.
Is this hard?
Okay. Guys, this is what it is.
Is this hard?
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be easy. Okay.
Yeah.
Wait. Okay. Okay, get it. Get it. I'm gonna guess it. I need to get more
hat.
stuff. Yep.
What hat?
What hat?
Like for your birthday.
Yeah. Well, that's it, guys. So wait. I forgot to do the intro.
Close your own scamper.
Wait. Okay, I will. But so don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, comment down below, whatever you guys would like to say to us. And if you want to join the Hot Stars crew, 2 easy steps. First, smash that subscribe button, then comment down below in one of our videos and say, I joined the Hot Stars crew. And if you want to get a shout out, comment down below in one of our videos. And the 2 first people to comment down below in our videos will get a shout out in the next one and have a happy Thanksgiving. Peace. Oh wait, I have to do it on the scamper. What is it doing on him?
Wait.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Wait, get it. Wait. Happy Thanksgiving.